Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a recruitment notification that has been published by HPCL. HPCL is going to recruit engineers, HR, finance and in legal job category. So we are going to discuss this recruitment notification in detail. Please watch the whole video till the end, and if you are having any queries, please let us know by commenting in the comment box below. So friends, if you look at the first post, that is mechanical engineering, number of vacancies 22. Educational qualification required is full-time regular engineering course in mechanical engineering from recognized university, and minimum qualifying marks is 60%. And for SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates, minimum qualifying marks is 50% only. And experience is required, friends, at least from 3 to 9 years of post qualification experience in relevant work is or relevant field is necessary. And age limitation is between 25 to 38 years as on 20th March 2020, and pay scale is 40,000 to 2 lakh. So the second post is electrical engineering, number of vacancies 17. Educational qualification is full-time regular engineering course with minimum 60% of marks. And for SC, ST and physically challenged category candidates, 50% is the qualifying marks. And age limitation, experience and pay scale is same like the previous post. And if you look at the third post, friends, instrumentation engineer, number of vacancy is 11. Educational qualification is full-time regular engineering course in instrumentation engineering, and minimum qualifying marks is 60% for unreserved and OBC category of candidates. For SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates, 50% is the qualifying marks. And experience, age limitation, pay scale is same as the previous two posts. And now coming to, friends, civil engineering, 10 number of vacancy are there in civil engineering category. Educational qualification is full-time regular engineering course in civil engineering, and for unreserved and OBC category of candidates, minimum qualifying marks is 60%. For SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates, minimum qualifying marks is 50. Experience, age limitation and pay scale is same as the previous posts. Now coming to fire and safety engineer, total number of vacancy in this category is 6. And educational qualification is full-time BE or BTech in fire engineering or fire and safety engineering from recognized university with minimum 60% of qualifying marks. And for SC, ST category of candidates, 50%. And candidate having diploma in industrial safety from recognized institution in addition to the above mentioned qualification will be given preference. That means you have done diploma in industrial safety, then you will get special preference with respect to the candidates who have done their full-time regular BE or BTech in fire engineering. And experience, age limitation is same, though age limitation is slightly different than the other posts. It is from 34 to 38 years, and pay scale is 60,000 to 2 lakh, quite more than the previous three posts. So if you look at the finance, number of vacancies 2, and educational qualification is that candidates should be qualified chartered accountant from Institute of Chartered Accountant of India with 50% marks. And friends, candidates applying for the post should be in possession of CA professional qualification completed in all respect at the time of applying for the post, including completion of mandatory articleship training required for award of CA qualification. And experience is also required, at least 1 year's post qualification experience is required, and maximum age is 28 years as on 20th March 2020. And pay scale is 40,000 to 1,40,000. And the next post is, friends, human resources, number of vacancies 2. Educational qualification is 2 years full-time postgraduate degree in HR, personnel management, industrial relation, psychology or masters in business administration, that is MBA. Minimum qualifying marks is also 60% for this post, and for SC, ST 50%. And 1 year's post qualification experience is required, and maximum age is 28 years as on 20th March 2020. Pay scale is same as the previous post. And now coming to information systems, total number of vacancies only 1. Educational qualification is full-time BE or BTech in electrical, telecommunication or electronics and telecommunication or computer science or information technology from recognized institution or university with minimum 60% of marks in aggregate for unreserved and OBC category of candidates, and for SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates minimum qualifying marks is 60%, 50%, and 3 years full-time course in masters in computer application, that is MCA, also can apply. 2 years full-time course in MBA and masters in management of studies MMS also can apply, and 1 year's post qualification experience is required. Maximum age is 28 years and pay scale is same as the previous post. The last post is legal. Number of vacancies 1. Educational qualification is 3 years full-time course in law after graduation or 5 years course in law after 12th standard from recognized university with 60% aggregate of all the semesters and 55% for SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates. And it is also said that candidates should possess excellent written and verbal communication skill, proficiency in reading and writing in any one or more scheduled language as per constitution. In addition to English and Hindi is preferred, and pay scale is same and age criteria is also same. And as I have already told, upper age relaxation is relaxable 5 years for SC, ST, 3 years for OBC and 10 years for physically challenged category of candidates. And friends, physical standard is mentioned here. All those things you can get in the description box of this video itself. And if you would like to get this PDF copy what I am analyzing now, you can get this PDF copy from the Telegram channel of ours. And if you are not in the Telegram channel, then the link is available in the description box, by following which you can download this PDF copy as well. And how can you apply? This is the website. You can say by opening the website, where the link is also available in the description box. By following the link you also can apply. And total number of vacancy, and you have to pay rupees fee 500 if you are unreserved category of candidate, but for SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates no fee is required as such. So friends, though this is not a new recruitment notification, due to nationwide lockdown, last date of application is further extended till 31st May 2020 from 10th May 2020. So if you have not yet applied, then this is definitely a great opportunity for you. Please apply. And if you are having any queries, any doubt, any question, please let us know by commenting in the comment box below. And if you are watching for the first time those videos, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the whole video. Have a nice day.